Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Thursday, September 6th. Stocks were mixed again to finish little change on a quiet day Wednesday ahead of the European policy announcement. The broad market S&P futures made higher lows above 1395 support and finished only down 2.5 points on the day at 1403.5. Dow futures finished unchanged Wednesday to close at 13,050 after another intraday test below the 13,000 pivot support. Nasdaq futures were down 7 points to close off 0.2% on the day as the European announcement kept the stock markets in check. Crude played both sides of 95 to close at 95.35. Keep an eye on that pivot point as a short-term close support that we want to focus on. And we've been trading between 95 and 98 since August 16th. Gold finished essentially unchanged as trade kept within the last three sessions tight range between 1690 and 1700. Silver was down single digits on the day and held above the $32 level. Bonds were down 9 ticks to finish below 151 at 150 3/4 on the day. The yield on the 10-year note sat at 159 at the finish on Wednesday. So where do the markets stand after this widely anticipated ECB announcement here Thursday morning? Well, as a surprise, we see that the numbers have come in positive. The ECB left things unchanged when they had expected to cut rates from 0.75 to 0.5%. The euro currencies pushed a little bit higher, got up last night to 126.36. Crude oil's up over 1% at 96.50 on a bounce higher from the $95 support. We'll watch to see if it gets an attempt on this recent resistance and the multi-month highs here at $98 a barrel. December long bond futures are down. Right now we're down a few ticks, 13 ticks below 150.5 as the dollar weakens to test the $81 support, 81 level support. Gold leads the market higher with being up $17 at 17.11 with new relative highs last night at 17.15. Silver's up at 32.85 with highs last night at 32.98, continuing to climb. As we get started Thursday morning, the E-mini S&Ps are up 0.5%, up 7 points at 14.11. Dow futures are up 63 and Nasdaq futures are up 14 points before the stock market opened. To wrap up this morning, gold's up 17, crude up over $1 higher. U.S. rates are a bit higher. Stock futures are rallying. The E-mini S&Ps up 7 at 14.11, and here at the CME Group, the Dow futures are up 64. Please visit our sponsors for more information on commodities, futures, and options. See you early Friday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.